Hello girls, let's continue exercise 8.3. I started the exercise in my previous video and I had explained you how to solve question number 1, and similarly you can perform question number 2 also, right? Now I'll do some more questions here, question number 3 and 4, and will also explain you question number 6 and 7. So let's start with question number 3. It says that tan of 2a, 8.3, tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree, right? Tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. You have to find the value of a. You have to find the value of a, and it is said that 2a is an acute angle. Let us find the relation between tan and cot. So what we can do is we can write tan 2a as cot of 90 minus 2a, right? When I write cot 90 minus 2a, it will be equal to tan of 2a. And on the right side we have cot of a minus 18, right? So what will we do? Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18. Now what? Cot and cot I can cancel. Now I will equate this and this. So therefore 90 minus 2a will be equal to a minus 18. Now as you can see that we can combine minus a minus 2a and minus 18 minus 90. So here I get minus 3a and here I get minus 108. Therefore, a will be equal to 108 upon 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 6 are 18. So therefore the value of a is what? Equal to 36 degree. So what we've done here, we changed tan to a in terms of cot, and cot 90 minus 2a will be equal to cot of a minus 18, and therefore 90 minus 2a will be a minus 18, and therefore when we solve further we get a as a equal to 36 degree, right? I hope you've understood the method of this question. Similarly, question number 4, yes, if tan a, same in terms of tan and cot, if tan a is equal to cot b, right? Prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. Very simple question, very easy question, right? Tan of a is equal to cot of b. Now I can change either this or this. So what I'll do, I'll start with tan a. I can write tan a as cot of 90 minus a, right? Because we know that cot of 90 minus a is equal to tan a. So therefore cot of 90 minus a will give me this side what? Cot of b. Cot cancels. 90 minus a is equal to b. Therefore 90 is equal to b plus a. A shifts here. Therefore we can write a plus b is equal to 90. That is 90 degree. So this is easy for you to understand that we change tan or cot in terms of vice versa, either tan to cot or cot to tan, and then we solve further and we prove that a plus b comes out to be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so you have to set the relation between the angles, and as I told you before also that you have to learn the ratios, complementary angle ratios. Tan of 90 minus a gives you cot a, cot 90 minus a gives you tan a, sin 90 minus a gives you cos a, cos 90 minus a sin a, and so on. So I hope you've understood the method and you'll be able to write in your notebook, because you have to remember my method. You can see my video. Question number 5 is easy. You can complete when you go through it. It is sec of 4a given as cosec of a minus 20. Convert 1 in the other form and then find the value of a. Okay. Question number 6. Question 6 is if A plus B and A, B and C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC, you know A, B and C are the interior angles of the triangle. So when you know that interior angles of the triangle are given, you know the angle sum property that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, right? This is given to you and this we write as the angle sum property of the triangle. I can now write B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, right? We can also write A is equal to 180 minus B plus C. Then we have to prove. Now why I am changing this, why I am taking this relation, because we have to prove that sine of B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. Right? Did you follow? We have to write sine of B plus C upon 2 should be equal to cos of A by 2. So let us solve this. Now we can write this side sine of B plus C, which is equal to 180 minus A. So I can write here 180 minus A upon 2. Fine. Now I will split this and I will write sine of 180 upon 2 minus A upon 2. That will give me sine 90 minus A by 2. Now you all know that sine of 90 minus A by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So therefore cos A by 2, which I have proved from LHS, when I solve it I get cos A by 2, which is given in the right hand side column. So I hope you followed what I am saying. First we write A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree as the angle sum property of the triangle. Then B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. I can also change A in terms of B plus C. Then sine of B plus C upon 2. In place of B plus C I write 180 minus A upon 2. And when I solve further I get 90 minus A by 2. So sine 90 minus A by 2 is equal to cos A by 2, which is given in the right hand side, and therefore we write that LHS is equal to RHS and we write hence proved. Okay, so this is how we perform the exercise 8.3. Now one more question is there. Express 67 degree, that is sine 67 degree and cos 75 degree in terms of the trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Now they are telling you to change the angles, the angle 67 degree and 75 degree. The angles we have to convert them in the form between 0 degree and 45 degree. So you know what we can do? We will write question number 7. Sine 67 degree, question 7, and plus cos 75 degree. Definitely we can change this and this in terms of 90. So when I write sine of 67 degree, I can write sine for 67, I can write 90 minus 23 degree, right? And for cos of 75, I can break it up and write 90 minus 15. Okay, now I want the answers with the range of 0 degree to 45 degree. So for this I can write cos of 23 degree and plus sine 15 degree. So what I have done, I have changed the 67 degree and 75 degree to the angles ranging from 0 degree to 45 degree. Okay, so these were your questions given in the exercise. And there are some examples. So just go through your exercise, go through these solutions, complete your work, and if there are any doubts you can ask me. So learn the ratios, learn the main ratios, then learn the specific angle ratios, and also learn these complementary ratios, the relations, and you will be able to easily complete exercise 8.1, 2 and 3 along with the examples. And this chapter is very interesting. So see that if you continue to work on this, you will be able to do it smoothly. And any doubts if you have, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you.